All right, we are live, everybody. Trying to get set up and start trading. No commentary per se today. We're just going to be trying to extract some profits from the market and not get cooked. Follow some rules, which I've written down. And let's do this, I'm excited. Yesterday, I traded without going live, and it was a good day. So I'm going to try to keep that momentum going. As always, don't forget that none of this is financial advice. The content presented in this video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. The views and opinions expressed are solely those of the creator and should not be construed as financial advice. The creator does not sell any products or services, nor is affiliated with any of the trading platforms or tools mentioned. Trading involves risk and is not suitable for all investors. It is important to conduct your own research or consult with a professional before making any investment decisions. The creator assumes no responsibility for any losses or damages arising from the use of this content. Yeah, we're going to, do our homework first before we even consider taking a trade. This is the micros version of the MNQ or the NQ, the MNQ, which is the micros, 1/10 the size. Ideal to get started in this trading business, except that it's harder, in my opinion, than the actual NASDAQ or the NQ contracts, because, well, the E-minis are definitely, in my opinion, easier than the micros, because the micros is hard to determine. It's hard to get profits because they seem so small, and then losses are huge sometimes in relation to the gains and losses. Whereas in the NQ, I tend to have a better, even out profit to loss ratio. It's easier for me to see the size of the trades or the stop loss or the take profit on a larger amount like the NASDAQ, like the NQ. And since the micros tend to be small and it's a small quantity, sometimes we over leverage, over extend our risk, and we end up getting cooked quickly. So the trend is going down, and I have no reason here to long. We will probably leave up from somewhere nearby. On the 10-minute, let's check it out. So let's check out the market open. (8:30), we're Central Time. Price broke yesterday's low, which was lower than this one, and the other one's all the way over here. So this would be our origin area. Yeah, just chill with me, I'm just gonna trade. Not too much commentary, I've been explaining the intro to this video, but this is gonna be strictly trading. If I do see someone pop in the chat, I'll definitely say hi. But we're gonna be trading. Nice day today. Not too shabby. Nice. Boom. We're gonna be patient today. We're gonna be patient. I already took 5 points in profit from the zone that I had marked out from days prior. So that's really good there, how our zone played out. We're still hoping to get that deeper mitigation of this area before we consider longing. So let's see if it wants to come down. It has no signs of not doing that. We would have to break this high all the way up here in order to really remain bullish for the long time frame. And this is a 10 minutes, so this is a really long time frame considering how many points we're willing to take or we want to take. So deeper mitigation of this area would be better to scalp up, but we do have this high all the way up here. This area here might also give us some reaction, and this green area that I mapped out as well. So we are considering ourselves in a range from this white line to this white line, and we're at the bottom of the range where we can expect to buy low, but that does not mean it's not going lower. And these are just my thoughts and opinions. They're not to be what's up, Pura? All right, man, you keeping up the trading? Good, man, good. So yeah, so we're gonna be trying to take some profits today. Remain consistent, discipline. Consistent, we're already here. So we're halfway there. Now it's just discipline. Not try to take every setup, just the ones that are really good for us. I don't know why my stream lags a lot. I don't know why. Not really a streamer, just learning all this stuff too. If anything, I mean, we should, if we're looking to take a trade here, me, not we, me. If I'm looking to take a trade here, I'd be looking to short still. But I'm not gonna do that because we're at the bottom of the range. So why am I gonna buy, why am I gonna, buy or sell high? That's it. Why am I gonna sell high? Instead, no, I would want to sell high, Why would I want to sell low? Considering we're at the bottom of the range, that has been put in the last days with the whole, what I call inducement, engineer liquidity. Then you've got the expansion, tap into the area that gave us the new high, broke structures to the left. Not this one though. Oh, no, not this one. You got those two highs there. In the long scheme of things, we're still actually pretty well up. It's just that it's been a while. This is yeah, this is the 30 minutes. Why am I? Yeah, this is the 25th, so 5 days ago. We got this dip. Early in the morning. Then it brought up, run the high, down, up, ran the high, down, up, ran the high, ran up, down the high. But see here, ran the low. We had a full break. I remember this. And then up, no break, down, break, or run, actually, just a run. Up, no run, or just double top, run the lows that created them. And that's where we are in this area that's very important for us. You see it's coming down, so it might get lower. Look, now we're in the area that we like. Start scalping up from here once we see signs of a reversal, which might come sooner than we think, because to me this seems pretty clean in terms of what we think the market will do. Just moving like it did over here. Down here, very bullish area in my opinion. Huge imbalance here. Mitigated somewhat, not this lower part. So if we're going down, brace yourselves for these levels. But I actually would think that we're probably gonna flip up from here. See the 3 minutes. Let's get a clean 3-minute one. Let's see. Oh, come on. There we go. Actually, let's do this. Okay. What's up, Pura? What's up, Pura? At the high, low. Ooh, baby. Discount. High price. All right, we'll see what happens. We did our thing. I don't think there's any more to dissect. We want to keep it simple. And just look at what happens next. Look at the 22nd. This is the 1 minute actually, but no, I was just looking at the 22nd one, but looks like a flip, or looking like a flip, but it's early. We need this one. I'm gonna have to do this tedious thing because it pays off at the end to do these things. Then we have a clear picture of what happens. Yeah, I thought of shorting there. Good. We're not missing out. You never miss out in this business. There's always opportunity. It's up to you to be disciplined, to know what you're doing, and to cut your losses and call it a day. That's the hard part of trading. Not this. This is easy. Figuring out what's gonna happen is easy. At least for the very small time. Maybe not for the long term. It's hard to tell what's gonna happen. But at least for the short time, we have good ideas. Why? Because price moves a certain way. And it's not so random. How was my trading today? I'm trading right now. I'm doing it right now. Right now. The camera. But right, so far so good. $10. Got a live account. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This could be it. We are in the discount area. We did just run the low though. We just ran this low already. Even though it might not seem like it because my drawing is not so perfect, but the low is actually up here. So we just ran the low. Oh, you see? But just by barely. But we are going up from there. Let's see if we get another rejection to the downside, which is probably expected. But look at that. Running the high that was put in. Maybe this one is the important one. We'll wait. We'll see if we run that or not. Probably not. My bias is no. But could happen. We are in an area that is likely to happen. But we have still no indications of a flip. I got 4 subscribers already. Holla. Okay, holla. I'm making my way up. Slowly but surely. One step at a time. But we need to get good at trading. Okay, that's our mission. YouTube is secondary. And we are heading down again. See if we run this low, which likely because we ran this low. Wicks all over the place though. And wicks are tricky. Wicks are tricky. It gets wicky out here. Wicks also to the downside was well. So wick up, wick down. A lot of consolidation going on here. So maybe some volume area. Got the low and the high here. So their volume. That's the protected high would be all the way up here. Responsible for running the lows. Although not as protected as we would think, it's not that strong, so we could go up from here. Break this, tap into here maybe, then head down. Look at this, how it taps in here. Let's fix this up a little. Got the wick here. Come on, grab it. Oh, shoot. There. We have been below the EMA for a while, peaking out. Yeah. Okay, we'll see what happens. We'll have to wait. I think market will target 1700s. Yeah, I mean 1600s. It's not 16,000. Sorry. So you're saying that the market will target 17,000. I kind of agree. I agree. Maybe even 16,000s. Just like we did last year, right? Last year we were in the heading to ranging in 15,000s, and then went up to 16,000. I think it even touched a little bit of 17,000, and then went down to like 14,000. Remember that? So can that happen again? Of course. Of course. Price moves up gradually. Look at that. That's the break. There's our bias of the break. Let's see if it plays out the way we think, where we get a tap back into the area left. So now we'll go to the, let's go to the 20-second. Look at that. Right there, there's gonna be some, you see? Some resistance there. Because we're approaching those other highs, that there's a bunch of them. Maybe a tap into the area here before leaving up again. Wow. Nice. We got a tap break, maybe a break, but a tap for sure. Whoa. 30 minutes, 30 minutes. Look at that. We broke that. I was sensing that because I had the EMA, and I noticed that we peaked a few times over it, and then this looked like the price really wanted to get above the EMA. So there's definitely signs of a trend flip, especially with how many we counted, like seven times price wanted to go up already and couldn't. So that's way too many for what usually happens. Sometimes you get 3, 4, 5. Wah wah wee wah. Dang, my stream is like 17 minutes delayed. No, I mean, it's not minutes, 17 seconds delayed. That's a long time. That's too long time. I'm gonna check it out. What's going on with that? It's so tempting to short from here, but no, because that would be selling low, and you don't want to be selling low. I'm talking to myself right now. Woo! Look at that. That was the move, but that's fine. That is perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. I was confused. This one goes here. This one goes here. It's fine. No. No, this one does go here. It's fine. Yeah, welcome to the Weko Show. Things are quiet today. You know, that's how it is when you're trading. You have to be focused. You know, you gotta have 100% of your attention on the charts and the data. Otherwise, kaboom! Even the music distracts me. Really does. Jam out with my boss, man. A slap at the base. Ooh, ah. Fakey fake. Yeah, that's what I'm learning. The market is really good at faking you out. Really, exceptionally. I know some conniving people or systems, but the market is the one that really kicks your butt when it comes to conning you out of your money. Very cunning. Yeah, we're gonna wait. We're not gonna assume the expansion over just an area. We're gonna see if it pans out the way we hope it will. Hope, that's a bad word, I know, in trading. But yes, I said it. We're gonna hope it goes our way so we can take an entry. If that hope does not become reality, all right, we missed it. Next. Look for the next one. You missed that. That's fine. There's more. It's limitless. There's never an end to opportunity. And why would you want to be in drawdown? Why would you want to do that? Nope, nope, nope. Ah, come on. Why isn't it? Oh. Ah, come on. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. What does that look like to you? Flip or not? Ran this high, not this high. Yeah, this is, in my opinion, this is the really one that matters. Now that we broke that, let's make this our protected high. Our range now became a lot bigger. We're gonna get that second tap into that area. Let's see if it holds or not. Come on. Come on. It's glitchy. My computer is glitchy. Glitchy. Finally. Here we go. The area did not hold yet. I mean, did not get broken. Still held. No break. Ah. Oh, a perfect tap, a perfect tap into that 50%. Check this out. Let's go to the 20-second. Look at that. Now this becomes the 50% of, because we were looking for this tap. It did happen. We did not take a trade. We were waiting to maybe get a deeper mitigation. It was just perfect. It left without us. And then a second time tapped into the 50% of now the area left behind, which was basically this. Come on. And this, like that. 50%. But it's not that, it's less. Look. I can't find the thing to move this. Okay. Here. And where is the thingy? Here. Right there, right? 50%. Boom. Okay. Will we get rejected yet again? Or is this it? Not without a fight, you know, not without faking some people out. Look at the 10-minute. Actually, this could drop really harshly. We'll see what happens here. What do we get? Eee. We'll have to wait. Shout out to the squeaky chair. Squeaky chair. "55 minutes streaming already? It's gonna be a long one, guys. Stay with me. It's gonna be a good day. Maybe some profits. Maybe. No, for sure. For sure, profits. Yeah, double top might go down. Yeah, so we saw some opportunities there play out. We didn't take any of them. We're still, you know, 20 bucks in profit. This is the actual account. I've just been doing my drawings on the demo account, but I am trading on the live account. So that order that I took was gonna be in the demo, but now we might actually play it out. So what I'll do is, hold on one second. Yeah, we're going down probably. Unless we shoot up. Yeah, you see? Ooh. Okay. 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 All right, so we took an order on the demo account, actually. But we just want to see if it plays out. Juice. Yeah, it was a good trade. You see? Bam! Mitigation of this area now. The area has shifted, ladies and gentlemen. Double top, runs and lows. Yeah, don't sell low, don't sell low, don't sell low. We're still low. Don't sell low. I like this. I like this. We might go up pretty harshly with all this mitigation of this whole area. Or we might just tap here and still range in this before leaving either way. Got the high and the low set up. Let's look at the 3-minute here. Yeah, we're tapping from our area. This was a very well thought out area here with this low, this high. So the first high and the first low after we broke to the left to the highs, we broke the highs. Then we made a high, price consolidated for a long time until making a low before breaking that high. So I took that first high and that first low, created the range, and even we had a tap here. Then the expansion, and back to the area, 50% of it trading up now. For 11, 23, 2. What? I don't know why it doesn't let me. Well, whatever. Whatever. Yeah, yeah, I get it. Oh, oh well, we gave back those $9. I mean, well placed, I guess. No, not really. Yeah, now our bias is changing a bit. So I understood what I did wrong there. I bought high. High in the very small time frame though. I mean, now we could consider buying low here. That could be the rejection of the whole area though. Break of this low. Let's see if we get another discount or if we're out. We are very near our protected low. Let's see if we run it. We'll give it a test though. We'll give it a test. There it is. Yeah, it might be a run, a break. Not yet. Oh yeah, might get a deeper mitigation, but quickly leave up again. Ooh, ah. Ooh, ah. So my order there would have been great as a short. I should have considered that. I mean, like I said, we're not bullish until we flip all the way up here. Let's see if our area holds. This is the demo. That's how you get cooked in the micros. Look at that. $28 in loss already. Yeah, it's like 30 bucks. So very good that we didn't take an actual trade there. Going deep. We're going deep. Imagine those people who took the short there. Okay, this is the live account. Holy moly. Okay, now we're in our origin area. Got 30% discount. Okay, I'm gonna take a 2-minute break and I'll be right back, guys. All right, we're back. Are there any news today, by the way? I think there was. Okay. Not really. Today's Tuesday, huh? Thought it was Wednesday. Oh, wow. That's a strong, strong, strong sell pressure. get out of this. Yeah, got out. I don't want to see this play out. Break even. Let's take it on the demo account for 10 points, going up. Let's see if it plays out. Nope. Okay, that's good. When it comes, it's gonna come up quickly. It's a huge mitigation. So maybe even a run eventually. Not looking like a flip yet. This area is the 17,690. Yeah, our bias has been shifting now from the bullish to the bearish all the way down here. I like this area too, but let's stick with the bigger area. Wow. We got a tap before the actual break. So that might be what plays out here. Pull up, pull down. Let's look at the daily. Where is the daily? Yeah, that means big imbalance. I know, no imbalance here. Nope. All the way here, big imbalance. Look at that. Yeah. Lower highs, kind of even lows. So maybe the break will come abruptly to the downside. Maybe the top of this area, the top of the end, then boom. Well, we definitely had our opportunities when we saw them. I'm gonna test something on the demo. I'm gonna test the drop here. A 1-to-1. Maybe get out there, because if it does flip, it's gonna flip from there. So maybe a little too ambitious with the profit, especially after the 50%. So my profit should have been ideally over here. One-to-one. Of course, it can go lower, just to make sure we get filled, like right there. Well, that didn't help that much after it went up again, but didn't break yet again. So still bullish. Still bearish, sorry. Look at that. And slowly creeping up. Tough environment. running out of battery here. Yes. Come on. All right, we got out of that trade. That was a good one. 30 bucks almost. That's 43 bucks in profit for the day. I am done with this live account. I'm gonna take my profits for the day. I don't want to show you guys the total amount because this is a live account. You know how that is, security reasons. But pretty good day. Okay, only one bad trade, 4 good trades. We're gonna call it a good day. This is a lot of money, especially because it's the micros. If it had been the actual NQ, this would be 430 bucks. So why mess with that? Okay, why mess with that? And look, I did get out at the right time because price is going lower. We don't know how low it's gonna go before if it does breaks the highs. I trailed it pretty good. I think that's one of my best trailing efforts on a live account. I almost got that wick. I mean, I could have gotten just a few more points, but look at that. It would have it would have been back to my break even or whatever. So this is a good spot to long from again. But like I said, I'm not gonna do that on the live account anymore. So I'm gonna actually close it. And we'll keep going on the demo to see if my zones play out, maybe 30 minutes or something like that. So stay tuned, we're going for more. On this demo account, I got, kind of an even, losing 13 bucks. But I did try out this area, which I would not have done on a live account. I just wanted to try it out. Sometimes it helps me to take a trade when I try out an area, because I could see what it would be like, what my emotions would be like if I was in that trade, what, how much I would lose. So demo accounts are a very, very, very useful tool, even when you're trading live, to have on the side, just to see, to test your areas, to test your risk. And it's not real money. Now, you don't want to be just taking trades all willy-nilly. You still test out the areas that you mapped out. Right here, look, my areas that I had mapped out earlier turned out to be the ceiling. This is the, well, actually it's not the ceiling. This is the 30% retracement of the Fibonacci. So that's why it's green, because I thought, okay, if I'm gonna buy from here. Now, I never bought until we reached that low point. So very tricky to tell whether we're flipping or this is just one of these. So maybe a tap here and then even break. That's probably more my bias right now. It's more bearish. We are right now breaking highs, so we're still gonna wait to see what happens next. If we do break an important high, which is all the way up here really, because there's a lot of just bearish candles. We have this huge imbalance left here on the 3-minute chart, huge. And then we have the drop, and then a range, and then a drop, and then a huge consolidation phase. So this might be the point of expansion. This is definitely a good area to leave upwards from, but not yet, because right now we don't know if we're gonna trade lower. If we do get in this, if we go higher, maybe break this high here, the one here, then we might consider a turn to this green area and then pull up again. Maybe get rejected all the way from here, or even, aim for this highs here, which I don't know. It's been a Tuesday, maybe not so much buying pressure. It is 2024, so a lot of things that we don't know what's gonna happen might play out. So look here, let's see if we can get a long from here, and this time I'm gonna place a limit order to buy with a 5-point. That might change actually. That might change to a 10-point. Look at that. It's going to my area. I'm gonna lower it down just a little, get a little greedy. Yeah, especially because there you go. Okay, so I got filled. Let's see if this plays out. Ideally, you want this trade. This is the trade you want right here. Now, I should have waited, right? I should have waited, maybe getting here. Here is good, but look at that. So bad entry because of the timing. Like, that's what I don't like about limit orders, that they just get taken. I would not have taken that order because of how it just went through it. Still might play out, because this is an area where price might leave up from, but we had a very deep mitigation, almost a tap of this. So now you're like, okay, I should get out. because I don't know if it's going up. But we're not gonna touch this one actually. We're not gonna trail it or anything. We're just gonna see if the 1-to-1 plays out. Also, my target is just a bit ambitious. I would say probably here is best on this high. And then my low is definitely now right below that low there that didn't get broken. Not really a 1-to-1, but we can make it a 1-to-1, especially now that price is higher. We haven't run this high. Once we do, we might consider moving our stop loss, but we're just gonna let this 1-to-1 play out for now. Basically just testing our areas. We're already here. We already traded. Good day for the day. I mean, taking 40 bucks out of the market, it's really good. You know, we build the confidence, we get experience, we get a little profit. It's all about being disciplined, really, not letting that gambler come out. The Wecco alter ego. I should have a name for my alter ego. I mean, Wecco is kind of my alter ego, but Wecco's alter ego. So my alter ego's alter ego, I don't have a name for him yet. Yeah, my order did play out. That would have been 18 bucks. Bad placement. That's the problem with the limit order. That the placement was bad. So maybe getting here, but now you got, okay, now we're going lower. So very quick action. I mean, the fact that we had the stop loss here is good, but we don't want to be in this drawdown. I mean, we get scared, but you know, it happens. It actually happened pretty good for us there. We didn't have to get scared or get out quickly. And now a short from here would be probably my bias because of that run. So let's do that. Let's wait for a better price. This time with a market order. That way we don't get filled if we don't want to. Oh, right there. Okay, I got the confirmation of a break. So here we're going lower. Now we target here, 1-to-1. Ideally over this high, but I'm assuming that if it goes all the way up here, it's likely to run the highs anyways. A little bit, I don't like this trade as much as I like the other one, the past one. This might not play out, but the fact that we ran this low gives me the confirmation that we might trade lower. We did run some highs, but not the real important high, which is up here. That's why having the lower time frame helps. You can see the highs that you cannot see on this. Well, you can see it on the 3-minute, but it's like just a wick. So it's hard to tell the story. Well, yeah, it's playing out. And this way, you know, if you trade kind of like I'm trading today, you have a high % win ratio, and if you're kind of savvy with your entries and your stop loss, you can still make profit on a 50% ratio even. You know, if you get good at trade management. Look at that, played out, bango. So we're building this account up, back up. I'm about to start the evaluation for trade day on May 3rd. Meanwhile, I'll be trading live account and this demo account. For replays, I'll be doing some replays too on YouTube and stuff. That was a good one. Good, good. I like that. I like when I fail on those, because that way I don't do it on the real account. I tested that area. That's not a good area to test. That we have clear indications that it's not, and I still took it and failed. Good, good, good. Now we wait. But it being already noon, me being done with live trading, and we just tested out some areas. Who knows? It's probably gonna get here, maybe break this, come down lower. We'll see. We might be back for an afternoon session. I wouldn't consider that a total no. So stay tuned. We might come up with more today, later on. Thanks for watching. I hope you're having a good afternoon now, and take care. We'll see you on the next one.